In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to force a restart on iPhone. So in order to force a restart on your iPhone, the process is very simple. All you need to do is to press the up and down volume buttons on the left of your iPhone. This works with most modern iPhones, at least from 12 all the way. So on the side, there's up volume, you press it, quickly press down, and then hold the power button on the right hand side. And once you do that, you'll be able to slide to power off. So it's important that you do this really quickly. So up, down, and then hold the power button on the right. So I'm just going to demonstrate that one more time. So how you do it is you press up, you press down volume, and then hold the right button for a few seconds, and then the slider to power off should appear at the top. And all you need to do is just to slide it to the right, and you should be able to force a restart on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.